Hi students, problem number 15. Nth bright fringe of red light having wavelength lambda 1 equal to 7500 angstrom unit coincides with the n plus 1th bright fringe of a green light having wavelength lambda 2 equal to 6000 angstrom unit. So the value of n is to be determined. So this type of problem is extremely important for NEET and JEE entrance examinations, but it is very simple only. So first we will write nth bright fringe using red light. Okay, using red light. So what is the condition for the nth bright? So it is n into lambda d by d. So this is equal to x n. Okay. So I will take a wavelength for red is lambda 1. So this is lambda 1 d by d is equal to x n. Now n plus 1th bright. So this also is bright fringe only, but it is using green light. Okay, so it is using green light of wavelength lambda 2. Therefore, for this n plus 1 into lambda d by d. Here lambda green is lambda 2. So this is equal to x n plus 1 for green light. So x n plus 1 for green light is coinciding with x n for red light. So I am going to equate these two. So for coincidence, so due to coincidence, I can write n into lambda 1 into d divided by small d is equal to n plus 1 into lambda 2 into capital D divided by small d. So in this arrangement, capital D and small d, they are the same. So I can cancel capital D as well as small d on both sides. So rewriting this equation, n1 into lambda 1 is equal to n plus 1 into lambda 2. So now we substitute. So this is n. Okay, this is n into, what is the value of lambda 1? We can substitute. Lambda 1 is 7500 angstrom. So 7500. So this is equal to n plus 1 into lambda 2 is 6000. Okay, 6000. Angstrom unit means 10 power minus 10 also is going to be cancelled. So 0, 0 get cancelled. Here also it gets cancelled. So 75 n. Left side is 75 n. This is equal to 60 into n is 60 n. Plus 1 into 60 is 60. So now 75n minus 60n. 75n minus 60n is equal to 60. So 15n is equal to 60. Therefore n is equal to 60 divided by 15. So this is equal to 4. Therefore the value of n must be equal to 4. Now check the options. Option A itself is the right answer. So option A. Therefore option A is the right answer. Okay students, have you all understood? So here first we are writing the condition for the nth bright fringe using red light having lambda 1. Second one is n plus 1th bright fringe using green light having wavelength lambda 2. Then equating on both sides we are solving for the value of n. Okay, I hope you must have understood well. Fine.